列车的飞驰，我们即将到达终点站上海虹桥站，请您提前整理好随身携带的物品，以免相互拿错或遗忘在列车上。在您即将告别我们和谐号动车组列车时，请允许我代表动车组全体工作人员对您一路上给予我们的关心、理解和支持表示衷心的感谢。欢迎您再次光临和谐号动车组列车，下次旅行再会。
Ladies and gentlemen, the train will soon be stopping at the destination, Shanghai Hongqiao Station, in a minute. Please take care of your personal belongings and don't take others by mistake or forget yours on the train. In this moment, you are about to leave us in the Harmony EMU train. Please allow me, on behalf of all the staff of the train, to thank you for your understanding and support during the trip. Welcome aboard Harmony, and see you next time.
随着列车的飞驰，我们即将到达终点站上海虹桥站，请您提前整理好随身携带的物品，以免相互拿错或遗忘在列车上。在您即将告别我们和谐号动车组列车时，请允许我代表动车组全体工作人员对您一路上给予我们的关心、理解和支持表示衷心的感谢。欢迎您再次光临和谐号动车组列车，下次旅行再会。
Ladies and gentlemen, the train will soon be stopping at the destination, Shanghai Hongqiao Station, in a minute. Please take care of your personal belongings and don't take others by mistake or forget yours on the train. In this moment, you are about to leave us in the Harmony EMU train. Please allow me, on behalf of all the staff of the train, to thank you for your understanding and support during the trip. Welcome aboard Harmony, and see you next time.
各位旅客，为弘扬城市首信的文明信封，倡导凭票乘车的良好行为，上海铁路局依据征信业管理条例等相关法律规定，制定了上海铁路局违章乘车旅客身份信息采集和使用管理办法，将在安徽省、江苏省、浙江省和上海市内各站对违章乘车人员进行个人身份信息采集，并提供给地方政府征信机构纳入有关个人信用信息系统：一、持伪造、涂改车票乘车的；二、持借用、冒用、伪造、涂改的学生证、残疾军人证、伤残人民警察证、残疾人证等需凭证购买的车票并乘车的；三、无票乘车或越席乘车，经站车工作人员查实仍不办理补票手续的。为避免对个人信用造成影响，请旅客们及时办理补票手续。感谢您的配合。女士们、先生们，列车前方到站上海虹桥站，由于车门与站台之间高低落差大，请下车的旅客注意脚下安全。